Hello and welcome back to our new show, the Blind Art Challenge. Noah, how are you feeling today?
I'm doing good, man. How are you?
Very good. Now, the premise of the show is, because I feel like we did an awful job the first time, explaining it at the very least. Okay, there's two of us involved. I have to draw something, but I don't know what I'm drawing. You have a picture you want me to draw, so you have to guide me step by step on to create that picture.
But the thing is only I know what you're drawing. You, the audience, are also not going to know either. You're going to be just as blind as Robert is. And then at the very end, we'll find out what it is, and we'll all have a nice big laugh about it.
So I encourage everybody at home to play along. It could be a lot of fun. Just follow the instructions.
Yeah, it'll be fun. All right. This one, this one's gonna be like a little complicated at first, I would say. But let's just see how we do here.
Yes.
All right. So to start off, you're gonna want to do like a semicircle, like a circle that's cut off halfway at the very top of your screen.
Okay. In what direction is it cut off?
Bottom wise, so like the bottom half is missing.
Okay, so it points upwards.
Sure.
Okay.
Then from there, you're gonna just want to draw a straight line that connects the 2 points, but like leave a little bit off on both sides. So like it does connect the 2 points, but there's a little bit of room once it connects afterwards.
I don't know what that means.
So draw a straight line that connects the circle. So it makes it like a half circle.
Okay.
Then on each end, draw another like a really shorter line on each end.
So
but still, yeah.
It goes a little bit past the connection.
Exactly, yeah. I'm not as good at this as you are describing angles.
It's fine.
They're abstract concepts to me, Robert.
You didn't know what an isosceles triangle was. I'll never let you live that down.
Whatever. Okay, so now that you've drawn that, go ahead and draw like a rectangle pointing down, but instead of harsh corners, make them a little softer.
Is this below the circle? Is it connected at all?
It's connected to like the street so where you drew the straight line, connect it to that way, but draw like a soft rectangle.
Okay. I'm picking up what you're putting down, sort of.
God, I hope so. I mean, either way, it's a win-win, because if you get it right, you win, but if it's a monstrosity, it's funny.
It's all about content here at the Midnight Snack. We're here for the audience.
Exactly. All right, so we'll get back to this rectangle a little bit later.
Okay.
What I need you to do now is underneath the rectangle, still connected to it, is I need you to draw like an oval that's pointing down as well.
A full oval or a half oval?
A full oval.
Okay.
Like a big fat oval.
The entire thing.
Yeah. But make sure you leave enough room for other details, of course.
Oh shit. Okay, let me resize here. I used up the entire canvas already.
And make sure you use your paint bucket and you just fill that oval with green.
With green?
Yeah.
All right. Paint bucket. What shade of green? Dark, light?
A darker green.
Dark green? Got it.
Okay, now from the middle point of the oval, draw a straight line down the oval so that it connects from the top to the bottom.
So cut it in half.
Pretty much, yeah.
Okay.
But from the top middle of the oval to the bottom, so just a straight line down.
Okay.
Next, just off the side of it, like slightly to the right of it, draw like 6 or 7 circles leading down to it. Leading down to the bottom.
Oh, so along the entire length of everything I drew?
Along the entire length of the line you just drew, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh shit. 7?
Just enough, like enough lines to kind of like get you from the top to the bottom. Enough circles,
Okay.
sorry, to get you from the top to the bottom.
Huh, what could this possibly be? Because I assure you, I am perfectly confused at what I'm drawing.
I really hope I'm giving you the right instruction.
I think I'm doing alright so far.
Okay, all right. So let me know when you're done.
I am done with the circles.
All right. So, like on the middle of the oval that you drew, like right where the line is in the middle, to the left and right of the middle part, draw 2 like small-ish squares on each side. So wait, hold on. Sorry. Let me try that again.
Okay.
So along the middle point of the oval, draw a rectangle on the left and right side. Keep it a little bit distant from the line you drew with the circles, but still on the left and right side.
Okay.
All right. Now, okay, how are we going to do this? Just outside of the oval that you drew, draw a square facing down, like kind of sideways. Draw 2 squares on the left and right. Sorry, not squares, rectangles on the left and right. Just make sure they don't touch the oval. But on the left and right of the oval, just outside of it, draw 2 long-ish rectangles.
Vertical or horizontal?
They can be whichever way. Let's just do vertical.
Okay. It's a very long boy.
Yeah, I guess so.
But my rectangles kind of look like fleshlights for some reason.
Dude, I'm so fucking curious as to what you're doing.
I feel like I'm entirely wrong.
You said long and my heart sank.
Okay, I'll make them shorter.
I'm very no, leave it. That's the point of this. Like, we're not supposed to get it right. It's whatever the fuck we come up with.
Okay.
Okay. And with your paint bucket, fill those 2 rectangles with the same color of green that you did with the oval.
Got it. Oh, my circles. Should they be not green?
The circles, I guess I should have said this. The circles and the 2 squares you drew should not be, well, the 2 squares you drew should be green. The circles can be whatever color you want. It doesn't matter. But,
That? Huh. I'm just gonna make them white.
Okay, make them white. All right. So okay, we'll simplify this because I don't want to get too complex. From the green rectangles that you drew, at the very bottom of them, if you have enough room,
I do.
Draw circles on each of them. Pretty big enough circles.
Attached to both
cover
the
up whole
rectangles.
Attached to both the rectangles at the bottom end of it.
And do they not touch the big oval?
They don't touch the big oval, no.
All right, two circles incoming.
You're gonna want to color those brown.
Brown.
It'll all make sense soon enough, Robert. I hope.
Okay, let's keep going.
Okay. All right. So, do you remember the first the rectangle I made you draw with like soft edges at the top underneath the half circle?
Yes.
So we're gonna finish up with that. So you're gonna draw 2. I guess like ovals that are on their side, distance from each other. So you're gonna draw 2, but like one's on the left side of the rectangle and one's on the right.
Okay, I could do that.
Okay.
Oh, not in brown though. They look more like teardrops. It's like I killed a guy in prison.
Okay.
They look like eyes.
So-
It's actually kind of scary now.
That's perfect. All right. So now you're gonna draw a square that encases both of those ovals.
Do they touch at all or no?
No, but you're gonna draw a line that connects the two squares.
Through the rectangle?
Not through. Okay, hold on. Let's start over. So, the the two the two ovals on their side that you drew.
Yes.
You're gonna draw two squares that like kind of like encase them. So you're gonna draw two squares like, I don't know how else to say it, like over them, I guess. And then you're gonna draw a line that connects the two squares.
Okay. I will ask you several questions.
Okay.
So there's two ovals
Mhm.
to the left and right of the rectangle I drew,
Yes.
surrounded by squares, both of
Uh-huh.
them.
Uh-huh.
How am I supposed to connect those without touching the thing in the middle?
Touching what thing in the
The
middle?
rectangle. If it's to the left and the right of the rectangle.
Oh wait. Are the two things that you drew inside the rectangle?
No, they're to the left and right.
Okay, no. Put them inside the rectangle,
Oh.
but just to the left and the right of the inside of the rectangle. I should have been more specific.
All right. Now I'm picking up what you're putting down.
Yeah, so from there, then you draw the squares and you connect them. Make sure you connect them from the top, not from the bottom.
Okay.
The top corners. Whew, we're almost done here.
Yeah, we're getting there. I'm very proud of this. Oh, feel free. I forgot to mention this last time, but a good student asks questions. So Noe, when I was being very vague at the direction of the shapes I told you to draw, you definitely should have asked me.
Okay, I still think it came out masterfully, but yeah, I'll keep that in mind for next time.
A for effort. I applaud you.
Yeah. Okay.
Now wait. Now my
So-
my eyes, what used to be eyes, now look like nipples.
Okay. I'm curious as to how you follow my instructions. The eyes shouldn't have really changed. All right.
Hey, slow down there, Buckaroo.
Okay.
I'm bad at drawing. I'm not as fast as you are.
Yeah, you're slower than me because you're better at drawing.
I wouldn't say that, but okay. Not what I'm looking at.
Okay. So let me know when you're ready.
I am ready.
All right. So now, from the middle point of the line you drew to connect the two squares, you're gonna draw like, I guess it's an isosceles triangle, like basically a triangle that cuts off halfway, but on the left side. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah. Okay, I got you. I know what you're doing it now.
Okay, but the tip of the triangle, make sure it's a little more rounded. It's not a sharp triangle.
Okay. Which tip? The tip pointing to the right?
The tip pointing to the.
It's okay. I got it.
Yeah, you got this. It's really hard to visualize this. Okay. Are you done?
I am done. Yes.
All right. So, from the bottom part of the triangle, you're gonna draw another oval, but this oval is gonna be different. This oval is like spiky or like fuzzy all the way around.
Okay, I feel you.
Yeah, so it's not like a straight line. You got to make it a little fuzzy.
It doesn't touch the nose, right?
It touches the nose a little bit, but you really shouldn't touch it. Yeah.
Okay.
If you touch it, I will kill you.
Close enough.
All right. Now, last thing, Robert. Inside the fuzzy oval that you just drew, draw. How the fuck do I even explain this? Draw a small oval with a line in the middle of it.
Inside the
Inside the fuzzy oval, yeah.
How big should the fuzzy oval have been?
You can make the smaller oval pretty small.
All right, got it.
Okay.
With a line halfway through it?
Yes, with a line halfway through it that connects from one end to the other. But make sure it's horizontal, not like straight down.
Oh, I have to get deep in there.
And then when you're ready, just make the rectangle you drew, just make that brown.
The what I will refer to as the head, the entire thing.
The head, yeah. Just make that whole thing brown, and then you're done.
What the fuck did I just draw?
Okay, so
For the audience at home, witness this glory.
I'm so excited to see it. All right, so you go first. You share your screen with me when you're ready, and I will take a look at it.
All right, let me. I'm excited for you to see my masterpiece here. There you go.
Were you sharing this whole time?
No.
Oh my god. The fucking hat. I should have had you color in the fucking hat.
It's a hat?
Yeah, it was a hat. Here, I'll show you. You actually came pretty close, I gotta say. Oh my god.
Oh my god. It's fucking Big Smoke.
Yeah.
If anyone could have guessed Big Smoke from this, I applaud you.
Oh my god. I know, right? If someone was following along, it was like, oh, that's Big Smoke. then congratulations, you win the challenge. Oh god.
Gotta save this.
Well, that was yet another successful episode of the blind drawing challenge. It looks like a fucking Geo, dude.
Yeah, I was wondering. Why are his arms not connected?
I meant like the bottom half's not connected. I don't know, dude. Like sometimes you just kind of get lost in like the explanation.
Oh, I look forward to doing another one of these.
Oh my gosh. Well, that was a ton of fun. If you like this video and you want to see more of this series, please let us know in the comments and subscribe, and we will see you guys next time.
I have a message.
Oh, okay. Go for
We
it.
officially have a Twitter now.
Oh, we do, yeah.
So you can actually tweet at us your images for following along.
Oh, that'd be pretty dope. Yeah. So if you want to do that, go ahead and follow our Twitter. I'll pop it up here, or I won't, and it'll be in the description. Either way, you should follow.
Okay, now you can leave.
All right. Get the fuck out of here.